This is a quick tip for people that are using Buzztv. I know that there are a lot of questions coming through lately on YouTube and more, requesting me to create a little video showing them some little menus. Remember, the one I'm using is called VidStick Plus. It is using Buzztv 5, which is up to date. So in order to process these little steps, here you go. This video is really about the playback when you're trying to process it on VOD. It's indicating to you that when you're playing a video, it says unknown source and it just doesn't play, it will kick you back out. So in order to fix it, this is what you need to do. So number one, I do not want to forget, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button. Make sure you share this with your friends and family. Make sure you click the notification icon, select all in order to get notified once we have a new video out. On top of that, if you have a question, drop them at the bottom of the video. We'll have to help you out ASAP. And don't forget to click the like button. It really motivates us to make these type of videos quickly with a little more detail every time. And here you go. So number one, you have to press menu. Now it doesn't matter where you are. What I'm trying to indicate and trying to zoom in right now is where it says version. Make sure that you are up to date. And if you're not, you can go to settings and then you can go to update. This really helps you out to make sure you are up to date. Number two is you're going to go here and then you're going to go to settings. Over here, you have one part called configuration. Go to it. And now for your VOD, click on it and select backup. If you are on primary, change it to backup. Some servers really do not like the main player. So this really helps you out. That's number one. Number two is going to be channeled playback. Make sure you turn this off. If it's on, turn it off. That will really help you out to play that. And once this is done, press back, back, and back. And now you can go through to your VOD and enjoy your videos. It will play it for you flawlessly. Now, if you don't have an issue, don't change anything. Remember, this video is just educational. I hope you guys like our video. If you do like it, click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment on the bottom. Always remember to visit our own website, which is xctex.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and other social networking places. And thank you.